In the heart of the Himalayas, where the mountains bow to the divine, a mother found peace with her fiercest companion. She came not as a warrior, but as a mother, and beside her stood a lion bound by love, loyalty, and strength. But every sacred place has a darkness waiting in the shadows. From the ancient forest, an evil long forgotten has awakened. And when darkness came for the divine, the protector awakened.